Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will talk about a little bit grammar. I know when I say grammar, half of people have shut down or switched the video, but do not be afraid, I will not be boring with grammar. I just will give you some useful tips to really important verbs, auxiliary verbs, and really useful verbs without any table of conjugation. You have to work your conjugation, but not right now. For now, the most important is to be able to practice some sentences and just focus on how to pronounce, how to make it natural, and do not be afraid about grammar. Grammar is not important right now. If you need to have written skills, you definitely need to work your grammar. But if you just need to do like tourists here and to be able to just small talk, you don't need grammar anymore. So anyway, let's talk about two important verbs, to be and to have. In French, to be is être, which is a very irregular verb and a very important verb, so you have to know it. I just give you in present tense. Do not use any other tense if you don't like grammar, because if you dip in conjugation, it will be really helpful for you. So just stay in the present tense and that will be perfect. Everybody will understand you. Do not complicate stuff. So être is I am is je suis. You are. Be careful. In French, we've got two you. We've got you. Indeed, three, but technically two. Let me explain you. First, you is a singular one. If when you talk to one person, you say tu. But if you are polite, for example, if you talk to